Hello, my fellow Americans. Today I'm going to be going over a tutorial on how to use OneDrive, which is a cloud computing service which will take and put all of your information and files into a cloud storage area from Google. Now, this is available on any sort of Windows platform automatically, and all you're going to need to do is go to, I'll show you, hit the Windows pane button, scroll down to OneDrive, click it. Now, if you didn't have an account set up, you'd have to set up your account through Google. But here, in this case, we do, and because this is my desktop computer, what it does is it saves all of my information and puts it into the cloud, so you can see my attachments, desktop documents, music, pictures are all here in the cloud already, which is great. So the advantage to the cloud, or OneDrive, or cloud computing in general, is that this is with me wherever I go. As long as I have my account and I have the programs to run, say, we're going to go to documents, we're going to say, let's say I want to open up a Microsoft Word document. As long as I have Microsoft Word installed on the computer that I'm physically using now, and I have my OneDrive password, I can use OneDrive to access any of these files however I want, or wherever I want. But let's say you didn't have something. You're on a different computer and you're working on it, and you'd like to work on it on a different computer or from home. So let's say we want a picture, and what I'm going to do is, instead of left-clicking and dragging it into my OneDrive folder, I'm going to right-click and drag and drop. And here, because I right-clicked, it's going to give me the option to copy here, move here, create shortcuts here. If I didn't do that, it would just move it here. But that's what I want to do anyways. So I move it here, and that now I have access to, and you can see right now its status is that it is syncing to the cloud, or OneDrive. And that's the main components of OneDrive. It's basically just a file sharing service where anyone who has the password to your OneDrive account can come in and have a look at what you want, or what you have. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And there we go, we have a cat! This is great. Anybody can come in and they can look at the cat. And it's awesome. Now, one of the best parts about OneDrive is that anybody can look at your cat photos. So if you want to share cat photos, you give them your OneDrive account password. Make sure it's got nothing else in it that somebody could steal. But, I mean, who wouldn't want to steal cat photos? That's the main part about OneDrive. OneDrive is really easy and a free tool that you can use on your computer. Just download OneDrive and safely store